If you know me, you probably know that I am obsessed with simple ideas that serve a massive functional purpose. Well, today I'll introduce you to a little bit of sewing magic. It's called the Self-Welt pocket, and it uses a simple rectangular fabric strip to construct both the welt pocket opening and the entire pocket bag. In today's easy single welt pocket application, the entire pocket is constructed with a single pocket piece. Thanks to a simple folding process, the single pocket layer serves as both the welt opening and the pocket bag. Measure, mark, and cut the pocket layer at twice the desired pocket and welt length taken together and 1 inch wider than the desired pocket width. In this example, the final pocket opening is 1 inch tall and 4 inches long. The pocket bag depth is 4.5 inches. Taking these measurements into account, the pocket piece dimensions are 11 inches long by 5 inches wide. Fold the pocket layer in half and iron the fold line to mark a crease along the middle of the pocket piece. Apply a piece of interfacing that is about 2 inches longer and wider than the desired pocket opening, centered on the garment's wrong side at the exact slash pocket location. Using hand basting, mark the exact location and shape of the rectangular pocket opening. Use contrast color thread for increased visibility. Extend the hand basting lines out by about 1 inch on each end of the rectangle as shown. Align the pocket piece to the lower hand basted line such that the basting corresponds to the pocket piece crease line. Fabric face sides should be touching and there should be a 1/2 inch seam allowance on each side of the pocket layer. Insert a few pins to secure the two fabric layers in this position. Turn the pinned garment layer on its wrong side and stitch right next to the rectangular basting stitch through both fabric layers. Overlap the beginning and start of the stitches to lock the threads. Use a short stitch length for increased durability and control. Cut lengthwise down the center of the rectangle through both garment and pocket layers, stopping at 1/2 inch away from each end. From this distance, clip into each corner as close as you can to the stitch, but not so close that you accidentally slash through it. Remove any temporary hand basting at this point. Flip the pocket layer to the wrong side of the garment and gently pull the finished edges to flatten and straighten them. Next, fold the pocket bottom portion such that it creates a welt that perfectly covers the entire rectangular opening. The fold edge created should touch the pocket opening's top finished edge. Iron the folded pocket layer in this position. For extra stability, whip stitch the welt's folded edge to the top edge of the pocket opening. Doing so will keep the fabric layers more secure in the steps to follow. Peel back the garment layer on each side of the pocket and stitch down at the base of each triangle extension, catching all layers of the pocket ends underneath. Flip the pocket application on its wrong side and bring the top pocket layer down over the bottom portion such that all edges align. Insert pins perpendicularly to secure. Peel back the garment layer on each side of the pocket and stitch down, catching all layers of the pocket bag underneath. Continue stitching down around the bottom pocket bag, then back up along the other side of the pocket. This final stitch will complete the functional pocket bag. To complete the application, apply an overedge stitch to the pocket bag raw edges. Last but not least, use a seam ripper to remove all hand basting and whip stitches.